So this is a drone footage of a church, as you can see. And here's another one, drone footage of a windmill in a village. So these are drone footage are not real, created by AI. And this is the real image of the windmill. As you can see, this is the footage of this image, and this is the real image of this footage, which is created by AI using Gemini Nano Pro and also the Google Video AI. So I'm going to show you how we can also create this type of drone footage. So first of all, you just need to come to your Gemini AI and you need to upload an image. It can be real image that you take on your camera or phone and any other camera. So first of all, we're going to download this real image. As you can see, this is a castle on Portugal. So we're going to upload this image on Gemini AI and use the Pro version and click on this create image. And now, as you can see, this is not image. This image is not a drone shot like image. So we're going to make the first drone shot image with the Gemini AI using the Nano Pro. So this is the prompt that we're going to use. Turn this photo like it was taken by a drone, aspect ratio 16:9, and make sure to choose the create image option, and we're going to click submit. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, our image has been ready. So we're just going to download this image. And after downloading this image, we're going to go to the Google Flow AI, which is the video generator AI tool from Google. So you just need to come to labs.google.flow and click on this create with Flow. You may need to sign in with your Gmail account. If you don't know how to get to the Flow, just search on Flow on Google. You will find this Flow Google labs.googleflow.about. And after coming to the Flow, you just need to click on new project. And to create a video with this, you just need to click on this text to video to choose the friends to video option. And here you need to upload the image that we just created with Gemini AI. Click on this upload option and we're going to upload the image. And you can crop it if you want because there's a watermark of the image. So we're going to crop the image just a little bit and just crop and save and wait for the upload. And now, as you can see, our image has been uploaded. So now we're going to use a prompt here. You need to copy this prompt. I'll give the prompt in my description box. So just copy it and paste it here. And as you can see, there's a subject option, so it could be anything for your photo. So in this image, this is a castle here, so we're going to change the subject to castle and click submit, and then it will start to create the video in couple of seconds, in couple of minutes here. So after 2 minutes, as you can see, our video has been ready. So if we just play it here, you can see this is a very smooth drone footage of the image that we created with Gemini AI. So you can also download this footage. So just click on this download option. Here you can see the original size and also the high resolution size. So we're going to download the upscale version, and it will get no credit to upscale the videos, and it will be downloaded on your PC. So that's it, guys. This is the workflow to create drone footage using AI. So this was the real image. Then we created the drone shot like image with Gemini AI. And after that, we created the video with Flow AI. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.